All right, hey, what's going on? Been a minute since I did one of these. Actually, just got back from a trip from Chicago. Got to check out the Harry Potter store when I was there with my girlfriend. So you'll have to excuse the lack of videos on Friday and Monday. I didn't take a trade either of those days. I took a trade today. I lost about $622. But if I'm being honest, I'm not too upset about it. It was our first trade on the Express account. Um, I thought I'd be a little more upset, but honestly, I'd take this trade again. Price just wanted to flip down, wanted to give us more moves down before coming up. And honestly, this kind of gives me a lesson on what I should do for next time. So let's just get in. Let's just get into it. So coming into the day, I was bullish on the 4 hour here. We had tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap right here. And um, from that 4 hour fair value gap, we saw some reaction to the upside on the 30 minute. We were up here. I saw price come down, sweep out London session low while creating a SMT divergence with ES here. ES never swept out London session low, which caused me to believe that NQ is going to want to go higher. So from there, I scaled down to the 1 minute. I watched how price was playing out. Price was playing out into this 4 hour fair value gap range. I thought to myself that if price were to close below this fair value gap at 9, we would flip our bias, and we know that the trade idea was completely wrong. But what we do at 8:39 is we start coming up. We'll come above this, creating a 1 minute CSID. We inverse this 1 minute fair value gap that price had respected previously, setting price down, which made me believe that we were going to go higher here. So I entered in here. I had my stops below this fair value gap in case price wanted to come down and respect said fair value gap. And I had my take profit up here at this high. It was a little better. I think it was like a 1 point. It was just below this low right here. And I think I got an entry like right down here because I think I entered off this candle starting to go down. So I got a good fill if price were wanting to go back up. But here's my mistake. Here's what I made a mistake on. On ES, look, at 8:45 we sweep out this high. What are we doing here at 8:45? We are nowhere near this high. We create a SMT divergence with this high right here, which is where I should have closed my position and just call it there and see if price gives me a better opportunity to enter and see if we want to respect that 1 minute SMT divergence, in which case here we did. We got stopped out. We lost $622. First trade on the Express, but like I said, it's more of a learning opportunity than anything. And I'm not going to beat myself up about it, because there's going to be plenty more trades to take. There's going to be plenty more wins, plenty more losses. But if you guys can't tell, my nose is very congested right now. But yeah, I mean, going forward here, we're going to stay confident. Like I said, I'd take this trade again, honestly. This was a good trade in my eyes. This is something I would take 10 out of 10 times. Now, will it play out 10 out of 10 times? Probably not. But the odds are in my favor. And today, it was just one of those off chances that the trade loses. We should have closed at the SMT divergence, waited for a better entry. And yeah, I mean, with that kind of being said, I'm just going to end the recording here. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. Maybe go for a walk, reflect on this a little bit. But yeah, you guys have a good rest of your day, all right?